Hey guys, it's Yuto here from sashirecipes.com. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy Yaki Udon recipe. This dish is basically udon noodles, meat and vegetables, and today I'm going to stir fry them in a soy sauce, butter and garlic. It's not so traditional, but it's a delicious Japanese home cooking style dish that is easy to make. Let's look at the ingredients first. For 3 portions you will need 540 grams of chilled udon noodles, or 300 grams if you're using dry udon, 200 grams of chicken breast, 130 grams of green cabbage, half an onion, 1 bell pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a pinch of black pepper, and a tablespoon of mayonnaise, and chopped spring onion to sprinkle on top. So I'm gonna start by cutting my vegetables. There's no wrong way to do this, but I'd say the vegetables in Yakiudon are usually quite chunky. So I'm just slicing the onion. Next I have half a yellow bell pepper and half a red one. I'm just gonna cut into slices like this. You definitely don't need 2 colors of bell pepper. This is just what I had left in my fridge and any color works. I think green would probably look nicer than yellow, to be honest. You might be wondering how Yakiudon is different to the famous dish yakisoba. Well, mainly the noodles are different. Yakisoba usually uses yellow egg noodles called chuka, the same as the ones used in ramen. Other than that, you can make them exactly the same. I already have a yakisoba recipe on my channel, so I wanted to make this Yakiudon a bit different with the butter and soy sauce. It's a popular flavor combination in Japan for Yakiudon, and it goes great with the dish. But if you're interested in yakisoba, check out my video. I've put the link in the description. Then cutting the cabbage into rough chunks. Yakiudon is really good for using up leftovers, and I'd say it's a typical home cooked dish rather than something you'd see in a restaurant or food stand. So now I'm gonna cut the chicken. I'm using chicken breast today, but actually yakisoba is more commonly made with pork, but you can use any meat you like, or even with vegetables. So everything is prepared, let's cook. Take a large frying pan or wok and heat it up on medium high. Add a teaspoon of unsalted butter. I like to use unsalted butter so I can control how much salt goes into my cooking. Next, add garlic paste. You can also use a crushed garlic clove if you prefer. Fry until fragrant and then add your chicken. We're just gonna seal the edges before adding the vegetables.
So
So next are the vegetables. This is a quick stir-fry dish with quite firm and crunchy vegetables, so it's okay to just chuck them in all at once. We don't cook it for long anyway. After about 2 minutes, add a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and mix it up. I'd say I stir fry them for about 4 minutes in total, or until they're slightly softened. Okay, now I'm gonna add the udon noodles. I'm using chilled udons and I'm just gonna put them straight in, but if you're using dry or frozen udon, you should boil them before adding them to the pan. Just follow the instructions on the packaging. Mix them well and allow the udon noodles to heat through. This should only take a few minutes. Finally, add 1 more tablespoon of soy sauce, some black pepper to taste, and it's ready to serve up. So here it is, delicious yaki udon cooked in garlic, butter and soy sauce. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tasty Japanese recipes. Thanks again, see you next time.